Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 10 divided by 2 bracket 6 minus 1. This simple looking problem many people fail to solve. Why? Because they take the approach like 6 minus 1 as 5 and 2 times 5 as 10 and 10 divided by 10 as 1. What do you think? This is the correct answer? No, this is incorrect. Write the correct approach in the comment. Now let's try this one. What they do, 2 plus 1 is 3, 8 times 3 is 24 and 24 times 24 as 1. This is also the incorrect answer. Yes. What is the right approach then? Because when in an expression there are multiple operations, then you have to follow BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket, then of or order, then division and multiplication both have same parity. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So let's rewrite the expressions and solve it with the help of BODMAS. So yes, first solve the bracket. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 10 divided by 2 multiply 5. Now the question arises that there is a division and multiplication. Both have same priority. But what people forget? That we have to solve from left to right. So from left, it's division first, then multiplication. So 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 5 times 5 is 25. So what is the correct answer? 25. Similarly here, first 2 plus 1 as 3, 8 multiply 3 and here 24 divided. So first we have to divide because we have to solve it from left to right. So 24 divided by 3 is 3, 8 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.